Hey Scott,
Hey.
I'm feeling so tired.
Wow!
What?
I yawned right after you. This normally happens. Whenever I see someone yawning, I yawn too. Why is yawning contagious?
Contagious yawning is a sign of empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand people's feelings. Sometimes whenever a person smiles, you smile at them back immediately, right?
Yes.
In the same way, yawning is an unconscious response. The less empathetic a person is, the lesser chances there are for a person to yawn while looking at somebody.
That was a lot of information. Thank you, Lizzie.